NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, might sound complex, but the concept is simpler than you think. Non-fungible means that it's unique and can't be easily replaced with something of equivalent value. If we talk about a fungible item, like a dollar bill, you can exchange it for another dollar bill or 4 quarters, and you'll have something of the same value. A signed autograph from your favorite artist? That's non-fungible. If you tried to exchange it for a different autograph, it wouldn't be the same. In this context, tokens are digital representations of an asset on a blockchain, and often built to specific token standards like ERC 721 and ERC 1155. It can sound a bit technical, but these standards essentially define the terms of an NFT, including the asset it represents and ownership. As NFTs are stored on the blockchain, transactions are recorded on the public ledger, making it very difficult to forge details like ownership. They're also compatible with smart contracts, which can automate the transfer of ownership or pay royalties to artists whenever their NFT is sold to a new owner. NFTs can represent ownership of digital assets like art, music, gaming collectibles, and even virtual real estate. Digital artwork NFTs can be sold, collected, or even used as loan collateral. Other NFTs may have specific use cases, like gaming NFTs allowing you to own items in-game and sell or trade them in marketplaces. Though currently used mostly for art or gaming, NFTs have potential in areas like home titles, event tickets, and loyalty programs. And that's NFTs, a unique blend of art, technology, and ownership. If you're interested in learning more, we've included some resources below to help you get started. Experience hassle-free NFT tax filing with Koinly, a top-rated platform offering unparalleled customer support, extensive exchange and wallet integrations, and a trove of invaluable crypto tax resources. Click the link below to sign up now at Koinly.io.